Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into AIEASE, an incredible photo editing tool that simplifies everything from removing backgrounds to creating stunning headshots. What makes it even better? It's completely free. Just upload your photo and start editing instantly. Whether you're looking for festive edits or professional grade enhancements, this tool has something for everyone. Stay tuned as I walk you through its amazing features. And don't forget to check the description for the free link. Let's get started. The first feature we're exploring is the background remover, a game-changing tool for anyone who wants clean, professional images. Whether you're preparing product photos, enhancing social media posts, or isolating subjects for creative projects, this tool delivers perfect results in seconds. All you have to do is upload your photo, and the AI automatically removes the background with impressive precision. You can either keep it transparent for further customization or replace it with one of the built-in options. It's simple, fast, and incredibly effective, making it ideal for professionals and casual users alike. Say goodbye to complicated editing software. Next up is the Watermark remover, a lifesaver for photos plagued by watermarks. This tool restores your images effortlessly while maintaining their quality. The process is straightforward. Upload your image, click Remove, and let the AI handle the rest. In just seconds, the watermark is gone, leaving you with a polished and professional photo. Whether you're working with stock images or personal edits, this feature is perfect for creators, freelancers, and anyone who needs clean visuals without the hassle of manual editing. Best of all, like every tool in AIEASE, it's completely free to use. Let's move on to the object removal tool, one of the standout features of AIEASE. We've all had great photos ruined by unwanted objects, be it a photobomber, random background clutter, or minor blemishes. With this tool, cleaning up your photos is easier than ever. Just upload your image, highlight the object you want to remove using the brush or rectangle tool, and click Remove. The AI works its magic, erasing distractions while keeping your photo's natural quality intact. Whether you're editing for social media, personal use, or professional projects, this tool simplifies the process and delivers flawless results. Another highlight of AIEASE is the AI headshot generator, which lets you create headshots in a variety of styles. Whether you need a professional, artistic, casual, or festive look, this tool has you covered. Just upload your photo, select the holiday style, and click Generate. In seconds, you'll have a festive headshot perfect for holiday cards or social media. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply regenerate it until it's just right. The same process applies for professional headshots. Upload your photo, pick a polished style, and let the AI do the rest. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply regenerate it until it's just right. It's fast, effective, and eliminates the hassle of traditional editing. AIEASE is much more than just a headshot generator. It's packed with tools that make photo editing accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Whether you're a professional working on product images or someone looking to enhance personal visuals, this tool delivers stunning results with minimal effort. From festive edits to polished, professional-grade enhancements, AIEASE has everything you need, all at no cost. If you haven't already, try it now using the link in the description. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.